What's going on, tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. One, not three. That's how you know yourself. Anyway, guys, as you already know from the title of the video, I'm gonna be building the ultimate. How do I say it? Yeah, we're gonna be building the ultimate gaming slash studio setup. But yeah, this is what we have right now. I've literally just put the desk and the monitor on, so it's like just mark everything out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you're gonna be redoing this place, moved into a whole place, new place. So this is my office basically. Office space, gonna have the setup here where I edit my videos and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna have the kind of like the filming set right here. It's not that big. It's workable, you know. Got to work with the space you got in it. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna start building this thing. Yeah, make it nice, LEDs, you know, everything. But yeah, first of all, I changed this out. This warm, kind of disgusting kind of bulb. I changed that with this. This is the Philips Hue, Philips Hue light bulb. This is the RGB one that gives you different colors. I believe 8.3 billion colors or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I put that in, so that's also gonna help with my lighting as well when I obviously make videos. So we got that nice backlight. It's gonna be a white. I'm gonna also make it white light, so it's like white light like what I'm filming with right now, instead of this warm light bulb. But yeah, I've got the desk. The desk is a door. If you guys want to know, it's a door, and yeah, got the monitor on, and then yeah. First of all, I got this. I'm going to be having a dual monitor setup, so I'm going to have the 49-inch on the bottom on the table, and I'm going to have door, and I'm going to have a 25-inch on the top right there. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I did one of these videos before, showed you guys my setup, but not a rebuilding setup yet. But yeah, let's get cracking, mate. So what I'm going to do with this is was supposed to be a 30 centimeters hole, but I've trimmed it down because it was too excessive on the top. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to hold that monitor, which I'll show you guys in a second. So I'm going to just slide that through right there. I already marked it out, so I know exactly where it's going to go. So it goes about that. Boom. Just like that. Boom, just like that. I'll show you the monitor I'm getting. The BenQ, I'm sure I did a video on this bad boy as well. I'll put a video up there so you can guys go check that unboxing out. But yeah, I'm using the BenQ monitor. This monitor is specifically for, color grading. So when I obviously color grade my video, because I shoot raw, so yeah, I do my color grading and I use that just to get the picture accuracy. And there you got my PC as well. That's going to be going underneath the desk, but I'm not sure yet. Either straight underneath or at the side, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see how it goes. Then we'll get this bad boy out. See if I can. Bada beam, bada boom. Yeah, she is. Fresh. So that's gonna sit there like that. It's gonna look dope. But yeah, this is part one. Yeah. Basically this, I'm just gonna put everything together, do a mock-up, and then yeah, next one I'm gonna wire it all up and do all that jazz, make sure it's all working. I'm filming on my phone because battery's dead on this. But yeah, so what I need to do, you guys saw me holding this. This is actually for the underneath. If you come with me, let me get the light. shine it up there so you guys can see what's in mod 1. Good. Oh my goodness. Put it up on here. Kind of push it up. It gives it more strength basically. Because I don't want the monitor falling off. That you don't want. So if you're gonna put this on, make sure you have extra support, or basically you're cooked. She's nice and steady. Hey. Turn this off. I believe I should have a. As you can see in there, that's all my peripherals and stuff. I just kind of just chucked it in one bag, in one place, just to get it nice. It's looking hot in here, isn't it? You know, you're right behind the light. Alright boys, hold on. So yeah, I don't know if I showed you guys this. The B&Q monitor, it's got the display, it's got HDMI, display port, mini one, and then you've got another display port and USBs in there. And then obviously you got your power and your power on and off, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna hook this up now. Right. I'm sweating like a bastard. Please don't demonetize. But yeah guys, as you can see, I've put the top monitor on. Bottom one is there. What I've actually done is I've left the leg. Ideally I want it to be floating, but it's not floating, it's got only one leg. No, it's got the leg on there because what it is, I don't have a lot of room to work with, but we can make it work. It's a sacrifice I have to make. I didn't want to put on a boom arm because there's nothing strong enough to hold this thing. If you want something strong enough, you can just spend like £300. And trust me, I don't really want to be spending that. You've been paying me nothing. So subscribe, like the video and share the video and get me views, and then maybe I'll spend money on it. Right. So that's all good. That's all done. See, you tell me that don't look sick. That looks incredible. But yeah, we're gonna have some LEDs at the back. Have like a paint and landscape paint and long one going across the wall. But yeah, it's gonna be good. Good time, good time. Got this on. But yeah, now we can get rid of this box. We don't need that. And then now, you can see I've already got the cables running across as well down there. So the cables are all down there. So I don't actually have to wire up anything else apart from the PC, which I will be putting in right now. So what the plan is. So, two things. I don't know if I should put it on this, or take the legs off and put it on, or not. I want to have it back here in the corner, and then the piece is right there, had it sitting on there, or what, I don't know which route to go. I'm thinking of leaving it on the floor, like that. Obviously further back, but I don't know. Or even putting it in that corner. Even like this. That looks good. Looks really cool. But yeah, that's the nice design, that's how I'm gonna go for. Right now. I'm sweating. But yeah. I think that's a good way to go. Let's see, this sounds like, let's bring the big line. Yeah. PC in there, all that. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Looks good. Does it look good? Yeah, it looks perfect. Oh yeah, just light my face up, guys. Vlogging style. Oh yeah. Peripherals in. You guys know this slide. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this slide just yet. It just depends how obviously the setup looks, because I don't know where I'm gonna put this at all. But yeah, because I want a bit of multicolor lighting when I got do my videos. But the last time I had it there, beaming this way, so you got this nice glow effect of the colors. But I don't know, but I'm gonna be moving things around, but I'm just gonna put things where I think I'm gonna like it. But if that's gonna go there, yeah. You got all the peripherals inside this box, which got the headset, which will be going on the side somewhere. Got the big boy mouse pad. Guys, if you know anywhere I can get a more extended mouse pad, as in the length is beautiful, but I just need one that comes out a bit more like this, slightly bigger up to here. Just let me know down in the comment section below. Yeah, this is what we got right now. So that's gonna go there, and then peripherals, the keyboard, go there. Obviously I'm gonna route it behind all the way down to the PC. That's where it's gonna be. And then you got the mouse. This is the Logitech MX Master 2S. Beautiful mouse. Good for gaming, good for productivity, trust me. Get one, you won't go wrong. Yeah. This is what we're looking at right now. Pretty cool. Then, so you got the laptop and the tablet holder, which should go there. You know, the tablet, laptop, which goes in here like this. Looks good to me. That gear plant, never forget that gear plant. And yeah, something like that. Obviously that's not going to be there, that gear plant. I might move things about, I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll just have to see how it goes. But yeah, this is basically how the layout is going to be at the moment. For the PC, I think I'm going to, I don't know, I feel like it looks a bit more cleaner like that. Just because what I did today in the old houses, I put the PC on here to rise it up a little bit, but I don't know. I'm kind of liking how it's looking right now at the moment. I might leave it like that, or I might, like I said, take the legs out of this, put this on, so it's kind of sitting on something, so it's nice. But I don't know yet, but that looks nice. I might just leave it like that, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, this is what the layout is going to be. Part 2 is obviously going to be when I plug everything in, make sure it's all working, and then we'll start chucking lights and all that stuff to it. Yeah, making it look nice. But right now, it's looking plain and bland. So yeah, the next video is going to be good. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button, also subscribe. Comment down below, tell me if you like this setup right now. If you don't, let me know, tell me what you want me to change in it or something like that, because this is the layout right now we're going with. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys for part 2. Peace.